Welcome to the first and last video in our series, in which we will prepare for real money trading. Before we dive into this exciting world, it is essential to address a vitally important topic: security. The cryptocurrency universe is a fertile ground for scammers due to their inherent anonymity that allows them to hide their identities while committing fraud. Scams can be of two types: one-off, when you fall into a trap and transfer your tokens or digital dollars to a scammer, or organized scams, where attackers use malicious links to take control of your wallets, which results in the loss of all your funds. Therefore, it is critical that you maintain a cautious attitude. Scammers often hide behind fake identities as administrators of Telegram groups, slightly modifying names or using photos similar to those of the original administrators. It is also common to find unofficial groups on Telegram specifically designed to scam, where all members are fake and they kick you out of the group as soon as you fall into their trap. The main rule is to be suspicious by default and always refer to the official sources provided by Worldcoin on their website or app. A crucial aspect is to be on the lookout for people who promise returns in exchange for your WLD tokens. Also, it is important to be on guard against requests to transfer your WLD tokens through certain networks. Remember that at least until October 2023, the only valid network for outgoing WLD transfers from the application is Optimism. Continuing with security, you should be very cautious with the direct messages you receive on Telegram. In the vast majority of cases, they come from scammers who have observed you in certain groups and are trying to gain your trust to obtain personal or wallet information. Don't trust them, as they may try to trick you into revealing the seed phrase of your wallet, resulting in the loss of your funds. Finally, be very wary of people offering to buy your WLD at tempting prices. This transaction requires a great deal of trust, as someone must make the first transfer and sometimes the second transfer never arrives. Later in this video, we will show you how to sell your own WLDs without the need of intermediaries. Sorry to expand on this topic, but it is essential to share this information, especially for those who are just starting out in the world of cryptocurrencies. Our goal is to help you avoid unpleasant situations and ensure that you are prepared to trade safely in this exciting space. Having covered the topic of security, we will now move on to the next topic in this video: the origin of the value of the WLD token. A question that often comes up is, where does the money that Worldcoin gives us come from? The answer is quite simple: it comes from the market. It's that simple. Just as some people may receive tokens and perhaps out of necessity sell them immediately for dollars, other people believe that the value of the WLD token is attractive and decide to buy them in the hope of selling them in the future at a higher price. Still others buy these tokens because they believe in the project, either because of its purpose or the reputation of the person behind it, and speculate that their value will increase over time. This balance between supply and demand is what determines the value of the WLD token. If you want to keep a close eye on the value of the token, you can do so through platforms such as Binance or by using an app on your cell phone that allows you to keep constant track of the value of this and other tokens you have as favorites. In addition, many of these apps allow you to set alerts for both low and high prices. Personally, I use a very popular app called CoinGecko that connects to multiple exchanges and gives us an average online price for each token. In the video description, you will find a link to download this application if you wish to use it. Having finished with the security and quoting topic, I will wait for you in the next video of the series with the most exciting part. We will start by redeeming a bond, then we will transfer the obtained WLD to Binance, and finally we will sell them for digital dollars. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can receive notifications when we upload new material.
Ahora tengo que pedirles algo. Este es el momento en el que podés ayudarme vos a mí. Si el video te gustó, te sirvió o bien pudiste generar algún ahorro, por favor dale like y déjame un comentario. Para el algoritmo de YouTube es importantísimo y sin tu apoyo este video quedará relegado en las búsquedas. Así que por favor, escribe lo que quieras en los comentarios, pero escribe algo. Otra forma de ayudarme es con un cafecito con el link que les dejo abajo o con una donación a cualquiera de las wallets que menciono en la descripción del video. Esa ayuda será el puntapié para generar nuevos contenidos con tips y trucos sobre criptos. Muchas gracias de antemano. BuenCrypto es una empresa dedicada a asesorar a las personas desde los conceptos más básicos y de forma personalizada para facilitarles el ingreso a este apasionante mundo de las criptomonedas. Nuestra misión es que aprendas operando. Te esperamos en todas nuestras redes sociales como